off to Oxford today. We're gonna watch the Miss Saigon with this gang. Oxford Day, Miss Saigon Day today. Joy, she said she's welcome back. Yes, andito na kami ngayon. Miss Saigon, manood kami ng Bea. Miss Saigon is on here in Oxford. So, dito kami. Taas. Nakatuktok. Letter J or letter J. Nasa middle. May daan ba dyan sa middle? So, dito kami sa middle. Pinaka-middle. Ang wow, ang lalim. Start here, yeah? Okay. Chloe.
Charlie, sit next to me.
Okay. Diyan ka na, dito. Dito, oo. Oh. Wow, napakalayo natin. Pero okay lang.
Tingnan natin. Try natin. Tingin ka, Arling. Try ko lang.
Teka.
Magdirin pa din.
Oo. Pwede mo siguro i-edit. So, at last we've arrived here in Oxford. We're gonna watch Bea, my friends. She's performing as Kim today. Yeah? Wow, ang dami. We've arrived here in Oxford in the theater and we are going to watch our friend Bea work because she is performing as Kim in Miss Saigon 2026. So I'm here with Nigel. He's gonna watch her as well. And the family. Ang daming tao. Nandito kami sa pinakatuktok. Pero okay lang. At least makita namin si Bea mag-perform. Enjoy, Nige. Welcome back to Oxford, actually. Galing na siya dito noon pa, na yung mga 2015 yata. And now he came back, and then it's good timing with Miss Saigon is on. Girl kita dahil. Kapila na. Halika na, magpananda kay Bea. Nige, ay, Nige, yung ano nandun sa bag ni Charlie. Yung pasalubong mo. Bea! Bea!
She's a celebrity.
Yes!
Malayo yun?
Uy, ikaw pala. Papirma.
Malayo ba?
Andun, dyan lang sa kabila. Nasa Jube. Dito na kami. Ayan, oh. Jube, picture din kami, ah. Yeah. Sali, get picture na kayo. Yung bigay mo kay Bea, hindi. If you can see the paper bag somewhere there inside. One of the paper. Yeah, Angel, ikaw na mag-abot. Jubes, pasalubong ni Nigel. Sa inyo ni Ikaw na bahala mag-picture sa amin, ha? Kasi pala.
Kami ni Bea dalawa.
Lapit na ako. Kami naman.
Hindi magtatagal yan.
Kami naman. Uwi na kami. Bea, pasalubong. Pasalubong ng friend from Canada. Very good. Very proud of you.
You're amazing.
Very good. Picture na. Lahat na tayo para. Oh, come on. Come on. Daddy, come on na. Daddy, come on. Dad. Charlie, Chloe.
Isisend ko na lang kay Arnie.
Isisan na lang, sige. Some of them.
The kids.
The kids.